Finally, it's time to board. Excited na ako para sa Alpha Trader Summit dito sa Bali, Indonesia. This is going to be an incredible experience. And here we go, touchdown Bali. Sobrang ganda ng vibes. Ramdam na kagad yung excitement para sa summit. Nakapag-check-in na rin tayo dito sa Pullman Hotel and Resorts. Grabe, sobrang ganda ng lugar at ang breakfast nila. Food is healthy, masarap. Jet lag pa kaya gatas lang muna para makatulog ng maayos. Excited for tomorrow's big event. Look at this view guys from the veranda. Napaka-relaxing ng vibes dito. Bali is really living up the hype. Perfect spot para mag-recharge and gather my thoughts for the summit. And here we go. Ito na ang araw na pinakahihintay ko, Alpha Trader Summit. It's time to learn, connect, and be inspired by some of the best in the space. On the way na nga tayo dito guys sa The Stones Hotel for the event dito gaganapin. So check this out. May sports car pa na may OKX logo. Big shout out to OKX for making this happen. Grabe, sobrang dami ng tao dito sa Alpha Trader Summit. Paakyat na tayo for registration and you can really feel the excitement. Everyone's hyped for what's about to unfold. Registered and ready. Nakakatuwa kasi kasama natin ang mga Pinoy pride tulad nila Coach Miranda at marami pang iba ng mga experts in the space. Ang dami kong natutunan sa event na to guys, and it's just so inspiring to hear their stories. This event is packed with insights and learnings. Sobrang saya kasi I got to meet fellow traders and content creators. It's amazing opportunity to connect and share experience. Napaka-productive na araw. Sobrang grateful ako for this opportunity and for this incredible experience. Can't wait for more events like this. Maraming salamat OKX for bringing this all of us together.